Before start creating any presentation, first we will learn about what are the options available in a PowerPoint. As we discuss, these are the menu bars, all the menus we have. Within a menu, we will be having a tools. Okay, it may be a inserting tool, it may be a transition tools, design tools, review tools. Like this, we have a tools here. Okay, out of that first tool we have to use before starting any presentation. First thing we have to select a theme. From where we can select a theme is nothing but a background color or format. These things we have to set first. To set that one we have to go to design. Here in a main menu, design, select that design. Here some themes are available. Okay, default themes are available. You can see the moment you place a cursor on these themes, you can see that how the your design will be changed. Okay, design will be changing. You can see that which design is suitable for you. For more theme you can go back here. Here down arrow key, more, you can select the which any of the theme you think that is suitable for your presentation. Okay, that will give you the best possible identity for your presentation. We can select any of one of the theme. Okay, any one theme we can select. Okay, once you selected a theme, then you can select the variants. In the sense, within a theme, what type of the variation you would like to do. Color variation. Okay, different color combination. What are the color combination you would like to choose. Okay, that particular variation you can select. Okay, color combination. And you can do here font also. You can change the font for entire slide. Okay, you can select the effects to the entire slide, or we can format these everything in a different way. Even background color also you can change. Okay, we can change the background color like this. Okay, any of the one background color you can select which is suitable for your format. In the sense, for your presentation it should attractive, right? Presentation is nothing but it should be attractive when you are presenting into a clients. Again, this slide size can be modified by using a slide size. Here it is there. Okay, wide screen now we have been taken. If you like to take a standard is nothing but like a old TV model will come, no, like that it will be there. So we will use a new one because when you are using a PowerPoint, like whenever you are presenting into in front of the clients, you will be connected to projector screen will not be square. Okay, it will be having a rectangle, wide screen will be there. So 16 to 9 ratio is a better one, so we have been selected that one only. Then format background, we can format the background like we can change the color. Okay, we can change the transparency. Here color transparency we can change, or we can change it to a gradient fill. Okay, like one side it will be completely dark, one side it will be completely light color it will be there. Okay, this gradients you can change. And you can change it to a any selected picture. Okay, you can insert some background picture here by insert option. Okay, or pattern fill, like some of the pattern if you like to fill, you can select that pattern fill option also. Okay, based on the requirement you can select the this particular thing. If you like to select, if you like to change the background color or background format, if you like to change, you can select that one. Again, you can select the color of the background as well as the foreground, in the sense front screen as well as the back screen color you can change. Okay, we will keep as it is, apply to all, or will you like to not to format anything. Okay, reset background is nothing but it will go to original. If you apply to all, whatever the changes you have been done here, it will be applied to all the slides. We'll say apply to all, so that that particular format will be applied to, this particular format will be applied to each and every screen. Okay, each and every slides. So this is the way we can utilize the design. We can utilize the design to change the to modify the structure of the slide background and the format we would like to change by using a design option in a PowerPoint.